Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? How's the quarantine treating you? I hope all of you are staying home, taking all the precautions needed and all of you are safe. Coming to today's video, it's something super exciting and super interesting and I've been dying to try these viral TikTok hacks in front of you guys. So without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. So for the first one, we're going to be making an Oreo mug cake and I'm going to play the video here so that you guys know how it was made and then we'll make it.
We're going to make the world's easiest snack while you're stuck home quarantine.
Alright, so we have some Oreo biscuits here, we have a mug here. I'm going to dump in all the Oreo biscuits into the mug. Then I have some milk here, so pouring the milk right inside. Now using this fork, I'm going to crush it all in. The batter looks ready. It's creamy and thick enough. Now we're going to pop this into the microwave. Let's go. So the cake is ready and this is how it looks. Smells so delicious. Oh my god, just look at the texture, dude. So chocolatey and this is so perfect. I'm gonna take a bite, it's too hot, but
yeah, you got that yummy yum, that yum.
Next up, we're going to be making some cloud coffee, dalgona coffee, or are there any other names? If yes, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to play a video so that you guys know how it is made and then we'll make it.
How to make a whipped coffee latte. First, grab your instant coffee and measure out about 2 tablespoons. Next, get some white cane sugar, and you can also use brown sugar if you'd like, and also put out 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then go ahead and heat up some water, and then add 2 tablespoons of the boiling water. Now mix it together until the coffee is more smooth. Then using a hand whisk or an electric whisk, I got this one from Amazon, go ahead and start whisking the coffee. Once you start whisking the coffee, you'll notice that the color will progressively get lighter and the consistency will actually get very thick. This is how thick mine looks with about a minute or 2 of whisking. Now go ahead and get yourself some ice, your preferred choice of milk, and add in your whipped coffee at the top. And there you have your whipped, trendy TikTok coffee.
Teaspoons of coffee, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of hot water. Now I'm slowly going to start mixing this with a spoon, and then once I feel that all the ingredients have melted down a bit, then I'm going to be using a frother. For those of you who don't know, I've already made this coffee on camera in my 5 super easy, super simple, yummy, healthy recipes that you can try this quarantine. If you've not watched that video, I'm going to link it here, so make sure you go check it out. Since I'm going to be combining the 2 TikToks I showed you, I need to make a heart out of this paper. So what I'm going to do is fold a paper right across its length like this. And on this part, like where there's a folding, I'm going to draw a half heart. Like, let me show you. So I'm going to draw half a heart like this and then I'm going to cut that out. So this is how it's going to look. A perfect heart. Now let's just put some choco powder or coffee powder onto the coffee. Let's go. Too good. Now I am a big fan of Sour Patches because we don't get them right now because I did not find them in any online grocery store or even in an offline grocery store. I'm going to make some right now.
My way, do it like that now. Repeat, don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way.
So all that you need are some frozen grapes and some lime juice. So I already have frozen grapes ready. I froze them for about 2 hours and I'm just gonna squeeze this on the top. Time for taste test. Oh my god, this is so yummy. I think I'm hooked onto this now. McDonald's egg muffins are my absolute favorite. Now watch this video and let's see if we can get this at home.
Hey, so you back him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What was happening? What was happening? I'm a savage. Yeah.
Failed. Dude, I'm sweating like crazy. Anyways, now we're gonna be learning how to cut a perfect kiwi. I just watched this video. I'm gonna try this. Let's see if it goes well. Not bad for a first timer, huh? Not in the perfect shape, but I love kiwis anyway. Now the last one that I'm going to be trying is a little crazy. Watch the original video to find out why I call it crazy.
Pull up extra icy, I'm not playing hockey. Niggas think I'm weird and they don't really like me. Cause I can fuck your bitch and fuck your mom and auntie.
So that was the video and I had so much fun filming each and every hack for you guys, and also few of the recipes, especially the Oreo cake was super yummy. So if you happen to try it, let me know via Instagram or just leave it in the comment section below. I would love to know your feedback. And yeah, that's all for today's video. On that note, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye.